Welcome to RSPB Scotland Loch Leven Reserve. Right on the shore of Loch Leven, 45 minutes-ish from Edinburgh, and it's about 25 minutes from Perth. Embarked on a redevelopment project that lasted a little longer than we all expected, but what we have for that is just absolutely stunning. So we've got a whole new toilet wing with a new roof. This wasn't just about creating some new toilets. This was about how do we make the site the most accessible it could possibly be. So this is our changing places toilet. This is the hoist, which all changing places toilets must have, and it's just all about being able to manoeuvre somebody out of a wheelchair really easily, and it moves right across the whole room. So this is another fundamental part of a changing places room. It's a sink that goes up and down, and this really allows for any size of wheelchair, different heights of people, somebody who isn't able to kind of bend over, and it's fit for everybody who wants to come and use the changing places room. So this is a changing places table or bed. And this is really for those who need to be changed. It ensures that people aren't worried that to come out into the outdoors, that if something happens and they need to use the toilet or something else happens, then there's a facility here that them and their carer can come in and make themselves, feel great again. We've got a series of cubicles that are all sort of sealed rooms within themselves. We have a couple of family toilets, so they have the little sinks for the kiddies. And then we've just got another 6-7 toilets that are just the normal toilets, but I think they look fantastic. And those are some gender neutral ones, and then we've got male and female toilets as well. Just so I think then we've got everybody covered. Underfloor heating that's heated by an air source heat pump, and then we have PV panels that help contribute to the electricity that run the building, and a solar panel for heating the hot water. So we've tried to make them as sustainable as we possibly can as well. And someone has said they are the best toilets in Scotland, so I'm very happy to take that compliment. Changing and moving the main entrances has just been revolutionary, and it's created a much lighter and brighter space, a much more engaging space, and just aids our ability to welcome our visitors and have great engagement opportunities. all about increasing capacity of the reserve so more people could come and visit this wonderful area, to improve the accessibility of the site. You don't need to be a birder, you don't need to know about birds and wildlife to come here. That's what we're here to do, is for you to ask questions, for you to start that learning journey. And even if it's just your ability to breathe and look up into the trees, there's nothing else more that needs to be done.